uh, we are going to solve the first question paper. That is actually we have uploaded as sample question paper. So I hope there must be question paper in front of you. If it is not there, then I'm going to suggest you first solve the question paper. It should be there in front of you, and then we are going to check this analysis, or rather I should say answer and analysis. So from the given set of statements, how many statements are true? So 4 statements are given. Now I'm going in analysis form, and so we are going to discuss first answer. So Nahapan was a Shak ruler. So yes, this is true statement. Kanishka accepted Mahayana Buddhism. So Kanishka is Kushan ruler, Yuchi ruler, and he accepted Buddhism after calling that Buddhist council. And then because of his influence, the Mahayanism was accepted in Buddhism, and then he accepted Mahayana Buddhism. So statement is true. Capital of Gautamiputra Satkarni was at Pataliputra. So Gautamiputra Satkarni was Satwahan ruler, and his capital was at Pratishthan, that is in modern day, that is called as Paithan in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of Maharashtra. So you will find the statement number 3 is incorrect. Bimbisar was father of Ajatashatru from Haryanka dynasty. So this is true statement. You are aware that in history, in the known written history, the Ajatashatru is the first ruler, and it is written that he killed his father named as Bimbisar, that is by starvation. So this is the thing. So out of 4 statements, 3 statements are true, 1 is false. So obviously answer goes C. Now second, this question that is belonging to physics, fundamental unit question. So from the given set of statements, how many statements are true? So first statement, SI unit of temperature is degree Celsius. Apparently it is true, but we are aware that we accepted Kelvin as SI unit. No doubt, we can convert Celsius into Kelvin. Just we have to add 273 degrees Celsius. So this is degree Celsius, wrong. It must be Kelvin. So first statement is wrong. SI unit of volume is liter. Yeah, it is true that volume unit is liter, but not SI. Definition of liter is volume occupied by 1 kilogram water at its maximum density. That means at 4 degrees Celsius. That is definition of liter. Whereas unit of volume, because we have unit of length as meter. So unit of volume is meter cube, decimeter cube, centimeter cube. All these units are there. So SI unit of volume is liter is again false statement. SI unit of energy is joule. Yes, this is true statement. SI unit of force is Newton. Yeah, this is also true statement. So here 2 statements are true, 2 statements are false, and therefore answer is B. From again same question, from the given set. Anyway, every question is same. How many statements are true? So we are going to analyze directly statements. Salner is the highest peak in Maharashtra. So Salner is the highest fort in Maharashtra. You are aware that in Maharashtra many hill forts are there. Out of that, the Salner is highest or tallest fort in Maharashtra. It is second highest peak in Maharashtra. Highest peak is Kalsubai. So first statement is false. Saputara is the hill station in Satpura mountain ranges. No, it is hill station, but it is in Sahyadri mountain ranges. To the north part of Sahyadri, this is there. Nowadays it is in Gujarat state. Mahabaleshwar is the hill station in Sahyadri mountain range. Yeah, this is true statement. It is in Maharashtra, Sahyadri mountain range. And fourth statement, origin of river Savitri is from Mahabaleshwar. Yes, Mahabaleshwar is a place where origin of 5 rivers are there at a time. So out of that, one is Savitri river. So out of that, you can check out first and second statements are false, whereas third and fourth both statements are true. As a result, we can go by option B. Fourth question, first statement, total 4 floating ribs are present in human body. Yes, 2 pairs of floating ribs are there. That means total 4 floating ribs are there. That is to make our thoracic cage elastic. Now, total 4 zygomatic bones are present in human body. So this bone, what you are observing, that is called a cheekbone. So that is actually called a zygomatic bone. So as we have 2 cheeks, so there must be 2 zygomatic bones present in human body. So statement here is false. Total only 4 cervical vertebrae are present in human body. Cervix means neck region. So in human neck, 7 vertebrae are present. So here we have to say it is 7 cervical vertebrae are present, but here it is mentioned as 4, so statement is false. So we start from all. We discuss that first statement is true, second is false, third is false. Now fourth statement, total 2 ulna bones present in human body. Yeah, ulna, that is first is radius and second is ulna. That is the forelimb, bones present in forelimb or hand. And then as 2 hands are there for normal man, we have to consider 2 ulna bones are there in human body. So for normal man, it is obviously 2 ulna bone. So 2 statements are true, 2 statements are false. Again, answer is B. Don't get confused. If consistently you are getting answer as B, nothing to worry. Okay. Now fifth statement, Tropic of Capricorn is not crossed during sea journey from Mumbai to Aden. So you must aware where is Aden. So it is in Arabian Peninsula. This part is there. You are aware there is Gulf of Aden. And after crossing Gulf of Aden, we are entering in the Red Sea when we are traveling from Mumbai. So you are aware that Mumbai is to the north of equator. Aden is also to the north of equator, whereas Tropic of Capricorn is to the south of equator. And therefore, as we are not crossing out in normal journey, if you want to go some advanced journey, then all right. But for normal journey, this is not there. So Tropic of Capricorn is not crossed. So statement is true. Tropic of Capricorn is crossed in the journey from Mumbai to Tasmania. You have to search on a map where is Tasmania. So if you check Australia, then to the southeast of Australia, you will get island that is Tasmania. So obviously Tropic of Capricorn is passing out through Australia, and therefore you have to cross that, then only you can reach to Tasmania, and therefore second statement is also true. Third statement, Tropic of Capricorn is passing through Canada. So mainland Canada not yet, because Canada is to the north part, particularly if I am saying that Arctic Circle is passing out through Canada, then statement is true. Whereas Tropic of Capricorn passing out through Chile, that is South America, and therefore this third statement is false. Norway to France journey is not possible without crossing the Tropic of Capricorn. Now if you have to travel reverse way, then it is true. But if you want to go straight journey, that is from Norway through British Channel, if you are going through France, then obviously there is no question of crossing of Tropic of Capricorn. And so third and fourth, both statements are false. So first statement and second statement is true. Again, you will get answer as B. Sixth question, how many statements are true with respect to human anthropology? That is Manav Vansha Shastra. So accordingly, so fossils or bones of Homo sapiens sapien are found in Maharashtra. Obviously, modern man it's considered as Homo sapien sapien. And as Muslim population is there, then Jew population is there, and some of the caste in Hinduism also, they are also carrying out funeral, that is they are burying out their bodies. And so obviously fossil as well as bones of Homo sapiens sapien are found in Maharashtra. So first statement is true. Ramapithecus is found in Sri Lanka. Ramapithecus is supposed to be, according to one theory, Ramapithecus is supposed to be first primate. Primate means what? Monkey or ape to man evolution. The stages are there, they are called as primates. So according to one theory, Ramapithecus is first fossil that is found of primate. It is found in Shivalik mountain ranges, and the person who discovered that fossil, he was aware of story of Ramayana, and so he given the name as Ramapithecus, that is ape of Ram, like that name is given. So here the Ramapithecus is found in Sri Lanka. It is obviously yet wrong statement. May be possible some of the fossil may get discovered after a few years, then may be right. But right now, Ramapithecus, whatever the fossil, the name Ramapithecus given is to that fossil that is found in Shivalik mountain range, that is in Himalayan ranges. Now, first statement is true, second is false. Human skeletons found in IVC were not of Homo erectus. Now, Homo erectus means a man who was able to stand in erect posture. If you check apes, they are able to walk on two legs. That is called as bipedal mode of locomotion. They are walking on two legs, but they are not able to stand in erect posture. You can check out on YouTube the video, walking video of gorilla, walking video of orangutan, walking video of chimpanzee. They are having little bit bent. That is because of their joint, that is a femoral bone to pelvic girdle. That joint is there because of that. So IVC, that is Indus Valley Civilization, it was obviously Homo erectus onwards category. So that it is mentioned they were not of Homo erectus. So they are not of Homo erectus. This statement is wrong. Chimpanzee is considered as Homo erectus ape. So Homo erectus is not ape. They are apes or Homo erectus, and therefore fourth statement is also false. So third and fourth statement is false. First and second statement, first statement is only correct statement. Second statement is false. Third statement is false, and fourth statement is also false. So answer is only one. So A. Now we are going to discuss next question, that is seventh question. How many statements are true with respect to last electron of sodium atom? Last electron of sodium atom. So you must aware of sodium, electronic configuration of sodium. It is 1s2. You can check out or write out 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So as 3s1 is the last electron, its n, that is principal quantum number, is equal to 3. So the statement is true. Value of L, that is in bracket intentionally written as small l, that is we are calling as azimuthal quantum number, that is equal to p. So it is not equal to p, it is 0. As it is s, it must be 0. So second statement is false. Third statement, value of m is 0. Yeah, because if value of s is 0, L is 0, then obviously value of m is also 0, and value of s is plus 1 or minus 1. It must be plus half and minus half. Then statement is right. So here first statement and third statement is true. So again we have to give answer as two statements are true. Now, eighth question, from the given set of statements, how many statements are true? Nitrogen atom is nitrogen atom is not consisting of any neutron. It's false. Only hydrogen, H11, this atom is not having any neutron. Rest of all atoms are having at least one neutron. Okay, so nitrogen atomic number 7, mass number 14. So it is having 7 neutrons. So this statement is false. 0 protons are present in hydrogen atom. Yeah, just now we discussed that hydrogen atom is having 0 neutrons. 0 protons is not an element, because first element is hydrogen having 1 proton at least. So this statement is also false. Third, helium atom is having 2 protons. Yeah, atomic number of helium is 2. What is atomic number? Is number of protons only. So third statement is true. Benzene molecule consisting of 6 carbon atoms but 0 protons. It is false, because it contains 6 carbon atom. Each carbon atom is having 6 protons. So 36 protons are there because of carbon atom, and it is having 6 hydrogen atom. So 6 protons are there from hydrogen atom. So this statement is also false. So you will get only here third statement is true. That means again answer is A. That is 1 is right statement. Now second last question. Yavanapriya is considered as black pepper. Yeah, this statement is true. Particularly after the Greeks, Romans started visiting India for trade through sea route. In Roman Empire, they were having status symbol as consumption of black pepper, and therefore black pepper that was exported to very great extent, particularly by Satavahana dynasty. They carried out international trade at that time, and they exported such a large amount of black pepper, and these Romans were called as harsh-speaking Yavanans, Kathora Bhashi Yavan. So this is also called as Yavanapriya. So first statement is true. Indica is written by Megasthenes. Yes. After defeat of Greek invader, that is Seleucus, or we are calling him as Seleucus Nicator, that is he defeated. Then his daughter named as Helena married with Chandragupta Maurya, the great emperor of India, and then he kept his ambassador in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. His name is Megasthenes. He wrote this famous book that is called as Indica. So first statement is true. Second statement is true. Christianity entered in India during rule of Ajatashatru of Magad. Just impossible, because Ajatashatru was ruling somewhere in the BC, that is before Christ, and so there is no question that Christianity should enter at time of Ajatashatru. But this great emperor Ajatashatru was contemporary of the great Indian personality, that is Lord Buddha. So at the most you can say here the Buddhism was there at that time. Then Naneghat inscriptions are in Urdu language. No, Naneghat inscriptions are either we can consider that as Sanskrit or very close to old Maharashtrian language. They were in the script that is called as Brahmi script. So and they are describing the success of great Satavahan ruler named as Gautami Putra Satkarni, or often he is called as Shalibahana. So where he is referred as Tri Samudra Toya Pitavahana. So total something Yavana Shaka Pallava Nisudana Tri Samudra Toya Pitavahana. So this is not Urdu, and Urdu was not there at that time. So this is the wrong. So first and second statements are true, third and fourth are wrong. So again answer is B. And now last question. Alexander's army crossed Strait of Gibraltar to enter Asia. So no, Strait of Gibraltar is there between Spain, or if you consider Gibraltar a separate nation, then Gibraltar, and Africa, that is Morocco of Africa. There is Strait of Gibraltar. So Alexander crossed Strait of Actually it is strait, but we are calling it as Sea of Marmara. So that he crossed, that is between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So Alexander, first statement is false. Alexander's army never reached till Mumbai. Yes, not at all. And still he is calling himself as world conqueror. So this is the highest, we can say, controversy about Alexander. If that person is not reaching to Mumbai, how we can able to, I am from Mumbai, how we can able to accept him as world conqueror? Alexander's army never reached till Chennai. Yeah, Chennai was not at all there in the map of Alexander. If you look map of Alexander, then Indian peninsula is not shown there. So from Gujarat onwards, there is a straight line till Bengal, and somewhere at Bengal, his map was ending out. So he is not reaching to Chennai. Yeah. And lastly, Alexander's army crossed Indus River. Yeah, this is true. He was able to cross Indus. He was able to cross Jhelum River, but he was not able to cross Bias River. Okay, so second statement is true, then third statement is true, and fourth statement is true. As a result, three statements are true. Answer is C. So this is from my end. I have explained the paper. If you find any mistake or you are able to show me some, then obviously you have to report in the comment box. At the bottom of this video there is comment box. You can go through that. And the last important thing, we are starting out our test series from 1st March 2023. So you will get idea how sample paper is there and how we are providing answers. Thanks for observing this video.